Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart Realty Secrets, where we talk about money, real estate, business, and building wealth the smart way. Today's topic is a real game changer. How to be your own bank and stop borrowing money. It might sound impossible, but wealthy people have been doing this for decades. And once you understand how it works, you'll realize that you don't need banks as much as they need you. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. Here's the truth. Banks don't create wealth. They make money off your money. When you deposit $10,000 into your savings account, that money doesn't just sit there. The bank lends it out through credit cards, mortgages, and loans, earning interest over and over. While you might earn less than 1%, they're literally multiplying your money for their own gain. Now imagine flipping that system, where you control the cash flow, you earn the interest, and you decide how to use your money. That's what it means to be your own bank. Being your own bank doesn't mean printing cash or avoiding responsibility. It means learning how to make your money work for you, instead of for someone else. You can do this through several proven strategies. The first is called high cash value life insurance, also known as infinite banking. You build cash value inside a life insurance policy, then borrow against it while it still earns interest. That means your money keeps growing even when you're using it. The second strategy is using real estate equity. If you own property, you can borrow against its equity to fund your next investment or business idea. You're not paying a bank, you're paying yourself back with interest. The third is a self-directed IRA or 401k, where you can invest your retirement funds directly into your own business or real estate deals instead of relying only on stocks or mutual funds. These are the same tools that wealthy people quietly use to multiply their money while maintaining control. Let me give you a simple example. Sarah runs a small business. She needs $20,000 to expand but doesn't want to take a 12% loan. Instead, she uses the cash value from her life insurance policy. Her policy continues to grow, and she repays the loan to herself at her own pace. 5 years later, her business is thriving. Her policy balance is higher, and she didn't owe a dime to any bank. She literally became her own bank. The key idea here is control. When you control your money, you control your future. Banks want you in debt because that's how they make money. But when you flip that mindset, you start paying yourself first. Being your own bank helps you build wealth faster because your money is always in motion. You're either earning interest, investing in assets, or funding something that grows your income. That's how financial freedom is built, not by saving more, but by circulating your money intelligently. So if you're tired of borrowing and ready to start building, remember this: money is just a tool. And the smartest thing you can do is learn how to make it work for you instead of against you. Thanks for watching Smart Realty Secrets, where we share weekly insights on finance, real estate, and passive income. If this video helped you think differently about money, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Because financial freedom starts when you stop thinking like a borrower and start thinking like a banker. See you in the next one.